my relative is detained by the Department of Homeland Security or ICE. Can he get a bond? And well, the answer to that question is it depends. And so unlike parole, the bond determination is made by an immigration judge. There's a lot of factors into account, such as what is the underlying reason that he's being detained. If the reason is he's an arriving alien and he crossed the border, that's one reason. And if he passed a credible fear interview, he might be more likely to be given a bond. On the other hand, if he has a criminal violation, there is what's called an aggravated felony, or if he has a number of CIMTs or crimes involving moral turpitude, he might not be able to get a bond. In the event that he's given a bond and the judge is lenient towards giving him a bond, the bond minimum amount will be at least $1,500, and it could be a lot more than that, and that really varies and depends from one detention center and field office to the other. Some detention centers and some immigration judges give you a lot better bond terms than others. And so some of the factors that the judge will consider whether to let an individual out on bond are things like how likely is he that he will return for a hearing, what's like prior history of him making it to hearings, what's his criminal record like, what are his family ties in the community, meaning is he a flight risk? Is he going to leave or not? And typically for people that have just crossed the border into the United States, they will be in the United States. They do not want to leave the States. That's why they came here. But those are some considerations that come up, and there are other things like, for example, are you even things like being a member of a community organizations and things like that, which again that goes back to family ties, and that covers some aspects of what are the requirements for a bond and what a judge is likely to consider whether to give you a bond or not, or to give your loved one a bond or not. Thank you for watching.